Push your clips in. Wait, well, push your clip in. Push the clip in.
You forgot.
Yeah, push it in. The bottom part, push it in.
Ow.
What happened? Did it ricochet?
No.
Okay, now go ahead.
I already had a bullet.
No, you got plenty of bullets. Yeah, shoot the can. Shoot the can. No, you always stay behind your brother. Oh, hold on. Yeah. There you go. Now try it.
I'm out of bullets.
No, you got more bullets still.
I know.
Oh, hold on. Now try it. Oops. Uh-oh. Hold the trigger down and see if it goes fully automatic. Hold the trigger, just roll. Hold it.
It's all out of bullets.
Here, like this. Look at it.
Look.
Oh, yep.
Oh, it's out of bullets already.
No, it's not out of bullets. Keep your finger out the trigger when you're aiming it. I mean, when you're not aiming. See, Angel still got a ton of bullets. See, ooh, look at that roll. Went fully automatic. Ooh, ooh, man, good job. I heard you hitting those cans. Roll, fix your gun on the top. Push it forward, push it forward. There you go. There you go. No, don't pull it back by itself. There you go. Alright, yeah, Angel? Yep, I think you're out of gun, out of bullets.
Look how far is that?
I know. Don't look down the barrel, boy.